today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. You're looking at our single deck pizza oven. Okay, this is going to be a single deck pizza oven, all stainless steel unit. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and talk about the front first, and then we'll go ahead and measure the unit for you. On the front we can find all our controls. Okay, so we obviously have our power switch, we got a lighting switch as well. Okay, we have two temperature adjusters. Okay, there's a set of two burners. One burner on the top, one burner will lay where the clay is. Okay, so we'll go ahead and show you the inside in a bit, but we have two separate adjusters for the temperature. We also have a timer as well for this pizza oven. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and measure this unit for you. We'll also measure the inside for this pizza oven. Okay, so measurements, you're looking at a length of 39.5 inches by 28.5. Overall height, you're looking at 22.5 inches of the height. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and open up the oven and show you the inside. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and measure the inside for you. As you can see, it does have that stone on the inside for your pizza oven. You also will be provided with an instruction manual, so all the information is going to be located on that booklet. Okay, measurements from front to back, you're looking at 20 inches. Left to right, you're looking at 26. The height, you're looking at about 8 inches. Okay, so that's inside measurements. Now if you follow me over to the back, this all runs on one function. Okay, so there's gonna be two separate connectors. Obviously we have our gas connector for the fire, and we have our electric connection for the lighting on this oven. Okay, and on the back we also have all the specs regarding this pizza oven. Okay, so you can find all the specs on the back of the unit. So 110 volt for the electric, and obviously we have our gas connection that's located on the back. Now if you're interested in one of these exact models, you can go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. All the information will be updated on the website, including the price for this exact unit. You can make a purchase on our website. Now if you have any other questions regarding this pizza oven before purchasing, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.